Good morning. Today we read chapter 18 articles. So what are articles? So about articles you are reading from UKG or standard 1 classes. But we will know some more things about articles. The first thing, what are articles? You know that A and B. These are called articles A, N and D. So we will know that the use of A, N and D. So A and N are called definite articles. They are called what? A and N. A and N are called N are indefinite articles and D is called definite articles. Okay. So A and N are called indefinite articles. D is called definite. The N used for the person, place, thing, but D is used before the particular person, thing or place. Okay, with particulars, if the only one there is, then we use D. But N used for a place or thing or animal, bird, person, we use A and N. So after that we know, first we read about the use of A. Use of A. So where we use A? The words, before the words starting with consonant. What are consonants? What are vowels? You know that. Consonant means first vowels A, E, I, O, U. Vowels. Vowels what? A, E, I, O, U are vowels. Consonant, rest of the letter, 26 letters, 5 letters are vowels, 21 letters are consonant. So A, E, I, O, U are vowels and the rest of the words are consonant. The words starting with B, C, D, E is vowel, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these 21 letters which the words starting with consonants. Before that we use A. A bag, a cat, a dog, a fan, a goat, a hat, like this. The words starting with consonant. Before that we use A. It is a simple thing, you knew that. But sometimes words starting with E and U. Words starting with E or U. A means I said A bag, a cat, a dog or a fan, like this. Sometimes the words starting with E or U also we use A. But I said that before vowel, we know that before vowel N is used. Here E and U are vowels, but we have to know that the pronunciation of the word. If the pronunciation of the word start with yo, if the pronunciation start with the U, then if the word is started with E or U, then also we use A before that words. For example, university. University is starting with U, but here pronunciation U, that is A university, not N university. Okay, uniform. Uniform. That is A uniform, not N uniform. N uniform is wrong. European city. European city. So it started with E, but it is A, not N European city. A European city. Okay. So if the pronunciation is yo, if the pronunciation is you, then the words, before that we use a. So sometimes the rules also some violation of rule that. So you have to remind the pronunciation of the what word. If the word start with e and u, if the pronunciation is yo, then before that we use a, just like a university, a uniform, a European city. Okay, like this. Then come to n. N is used what? Before the word starting with vowels. If the first letter of the word is vowel, then before that we use n. So use of n. So n apple, n what? Egg, n ink pot, then n umbrella, n wool. So words starting with a, e, I, o, u, then before that we use n. So if the word starting with vowel, before that we use n, the article n. Okay. But here also some separate rule. If the word is starting with consonant, but the sound is hide is sound means, then here silent. Hide means what? If the sound first word letter is silent, then also n will use. Suppose hour. Spelling is H-O-U-R, but you read it hour. H is silent here. So here n hour. O. Okay, second letter is O. So n hour, not a hour. Then honest. H-O-N-E-S-T. Honest. You read honest. H is silent here. So an honest boy. Okay. Then honor. H-O-N-O-U-R. But H silent here. You read honor. So N honor. Okay. So if the word is starting with H, or if the first letter is silent and second letter is in vowel, before that we use N, not A. Okay. I saw an owl. Shall we carry an umbrella? So umbrella and university. So you can compare the pronunciation. University, union, uniform, umbrella, utensil, on. So if O is pronounced, then N used. U is pronounced, A will be used. Okay. Now come to the. I said N used before indefinite, any person, any bird, anything. Then, but the use definite article. That is particular person, particular name, particular place. I. So what is the difference? A and N and the article the. So one example, eat a banana. Eat the banana. Eat the banana kept on the table. Eat the banana kept on the table. So what does it mean? Eat banana, eat a banana, eat the banana kept on the table. So eat a banana means you can eat any banana where you can buy or anywhere it is. Eat the banana kept on the table. Eat the means particular banana which is on the table, you have to eat that. That means it is particular. It is definite. So you have instructed that eat the banana which is kept on the table means which is on the table. जो table के ऊपर है. Okay. So which is on the table, you eat that particular banana. So it is definite. Eat a banana means you just go and eat a banana wherever it is. Okay. So it is not definite or particularized. So like this. So where you use the. There are rules. first, names of river, sea, ocean, base, mountain ranges. So first the is used. The number one, names of oceans, rivers, okay, mountains, all this. Example, the Ganga, the Himalaya, the Pacific Ocean, the Ganga, because a river, Ganga is a river. Ganga is a river. River means many rivers are there, but Ganga means one. One there is. So the Ganga, the Himalayas, the Himalaya. Okay, particular. Okay. Then the Pacific Ocean. Okay. The proper noun, the Himalaya, mountain is common, so a mountain, but before proper noun we use the Himalaya, the Ganga, the Pacific Ocean. Then the names of well-known buildings also. Number two, names of well-known buildings. So what are the buildings? The Red Fort. Okay, the Red Fort, the Gateway of India, the Jama Masjid. Okay, so like this is the name of specific well-known buildings. The name of holy book also. The used. Number three, holy books. What are these? The Gita, the Ramayana, the Quran, the Bible. So before the name of holy books also we use the. Then names of train, aeroplanes, ships also. Particular a train, but there are some particular names. The names of train, aeroplanes, ships. That what are the names of train? The Shatabdi train, the Titanic ship name, the Air Force One American President's aeroplane. So aeroplane name, Shatabdi train name, Titanic ship name. Like this, name of ship, train, and the aeroplane also we use the. The name of countries and political units. Then some countries also and political units. So names of country and political units: the USA, United States of America, the UAE, the UK, United Kingdom, the USA, the UK, then the UAE. So before that also use the. Then next is names of groups of island. Groups of island. 6 names. Groups of islands. The Andaman Nicobar. Okay, the Andaman, the Daman Diu. So the Andaman Nicobar. The Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay. Then names of people of nationality. Names of peoples of nationality. That is, example, the English, the French, the Japanese, the Germans. Okay, the Germans, the English. Okay, so peoples of nationality. Then names of noun which are one of a kind. This sun, one of a kind means song is one. The moon, the earth, the stars, the sky. So one of a kind. One of a kind means one of a kind. That is the sun, the star, the moon. Okay, so these are the one of the kind. Then indicating a class or kind. Okay, the lion is the king of the jungle. The dog is the faithful animal. The class, a lion. But when you explain about the group, then the lion is the king of the animals and the dog is the faithful animal. So, indicating class or kind. Indicating class or kind. Okay, so names of direction. Next is direction. The north, the south, the east and the west. Then names of ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers, cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3. Ordinal, the first boy, the second boy, the third one. Okay, name of ordinals. 11 is name of ordinals. Ordinals means the first, the second. Okay, these are before the ordinals also they will be used. Before the superlative degree, positive, comparative, superlative, who is super one? That is also the sweetest. Superlative degree. The best one. The tallest. So superlative degree, before superlative degree also the is used. Then with phrase at the last, the only, the next, the last car, the only game. Okay, so these are the uses of the. Okay, so sometimes we use where we should not use the. Proper nouns, we are saying before proper nouns we use the. But the proper nouns, if they are made particular, unless they are not made particular, means suppose I met a friend Haris, the Haris. Before name we will not use the. The next one is uncountable nouns that are names of material unless they are made of particular. If they are not particular, we need wood to light a fire. The wood should be dry. So wood should be dry. The wood should be dry is wrong. Okay. Abstract qualities unless they are made particular. I love the dog. The love I have. The love is wrong. So in some places when they are not particularized, then we will not use the. So I hope you understand. You understood the use of a, n, particular and the. So a, n are indefinite, the is definite. So many rules I taught. I hope you understood that. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.